Today, we'll talk about SIP, STP, and SWP. What is SIP? SIP or Systematic Investment Plan is a method where you invest a fixed amount regularly, like monthly, into a mutual fund. It's like a recurring savings plan, but smarter. Key benefits of SIP: automatic deductions from your bank, builds discipline, uses rupee cost averaging, buying more units when prices are low, fewer when prices are high. Over time, this helps reduce your average cost and grow your wealth steadily without timing the market. Now we'll discuss about STP. STP or Systematic Transfer Plan is perfect for those with a lump sum amount to invest. Instead of putting it all in one go, you invest it gradually into equities. How does STP work? Lump sum amount is parked in a low-risk debt or liquid fund. A fixed amount is transferred to an equity fund at regular intervals. It helps reduce market timing risk and earns modest returns from debt fund while waiting. STP happens between two funds of the same AMC and is subject to tax as each transfer is treated as a redemption. Now we will discuss about SWP. SWP or Systematic Withdrawal Plan is the reverse of SIP. It's for those who want to withdraw money regularly from their mutual fund investment. SWP is ideal for retirees or those seeking monthly income. It provides predictable cash flow while keeping the rest of the investment growing. For example, you can withdraw 5,000 rupees monthly by selling a few units based on the current NAV. It's a great way to get income without fully exiting the market. Which strategy should you choose? It depends on your goals. SIP is for disciplined investing, STP is for lump sum risk management, and SWP is for regular income. And guess what? You can even combine them for a powerful financial strategy. SIP, STP, or SWP each plays a unique role in your wealth journey. Choose what fits your goals or combine them for flexibility and growth. Ready to take charge of your investments? Let's build your 2025 strategy today.
Contact us for expert mutual fund guidance, curated SIP plans for every goal. Start your SIP today. Invest smart, live better. Visit our website www.investevision.com.